Hello everyone, this is Toys for You to See, and today we are opening this fabulous Pinypon doll set by Formosa, and this comes with 30 accessories and a poster. So let's open up and have a look. There we go, might need to rip that round by the handle just to open that up. It's a bit tricky. There we go, that's better. Okay then, let's take everything out and then we can have a look at all the things that are included inside. Just check that, yes, that box is empty, so we'll move that to one side and let's have a look. Let me put them all back for you. There we go. That's everything out of the packaging. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girl figures and 1 boy figure there, and there's also a frog, a tortoise, a cat and a dog. So let's get them out of the packaging and have a look. Okay, let's have a closer look at these Pinypons, and the first one is the blonde haired doll, and she comes with a little tiara and a wand. And you can also change the tiara to a little sparkly heart. And also with these Pinypons, they actually can come apart, so you can remove all the accessories and you can remove the hair and you can change the facial expression to cute little smiley face, and you can remove the head and the body. And therefore you can obviously use other parts of the other dolls and mix and match, which is absolutely fabulous, and it's really, really good. It's so cute. So we'll put her back together with her tiara and her wand. There we go. And there's a little frog. If I bring him to show you, there he is, ribbit, ribbit. And he has a little crown on his head, there he is. And then we have a lovely pink doll with purple hair, and she too has a tiara and a wand. Let's turn her around, hold up a little bit so you can see her. There we go. Lovely these are, so nice. And there's a cupcake doll. There she is. And she has a little bag and a cupcake in her hand and some little berries or sweet treats on her head. A little skirt which you can take, obviously take this off if I show you. There, a hat and a hair. And a head again, and then her bag and the little cupcake, and there you've got a little skirt, and obviously you can put that on one of the other dolls or keep this on her. Let's put her back together again. There we go. Oops. Just straighten her a little bit. There we go. There you go. And put her little bag on her arm. And her little cupcake in her hand. There we go. Okay. Oops. Going to stand up. There we go. And we have a little tortoise. Little flowers on his shell. There he is. Or she is. And there's another little cupcake doll. And she has a little hat on. And some auburn hair. And a little cupcake on her dress. And I'll just turn her around so you can see her. There she is. And she has some little sweet treats for her hat. Let's pop that in there. Like so. And she has a little bag or a little purse that attaches to her hand there. Pop that in there. There we go. And she also has a little cupcake that you can attach onto a hat instead. That's that one. And then we have the little boy figure. And I'll just bring him up here so you can see him. He's got a winky face. Let's turn him round. And shall we just see what other face he's got? So if we remove his hair, like so. Oh, he's got love hearts. He's got love in his eyes. Let's pop that back on. There he is. And I think there's a little heart here. So I could attach that to his hand. If we can, there we go. A boy in love. There we go, that's that one. And last but not least is this little character here. It's just lovely, adorable. Little boots. And there she is. And we'll just have a look and see what face. There she is. And she's got a little bun. There. And then we have the little dog. Woof woof. Woof woof. There he is. Or she. There we go. And the cat. Meow. Meow. There she is. And there's 4 more accessories, which if I bring these forward, I can show you. There's a little flower. There. And another flower. There it is. And a little handbag. Oops, with a bare face. And another handbag, which you can put over the arm or attach there. That's a fabulous, marvellous set. Very, very cool. Oh, let's just move those into the camera. There you go. So everyone, if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. I'd love to hear your comments on this Pinypon range. And if you'd like to see more Pinypon, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Thank you. Bye guys.